What's up, Filecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, in this video, once again, I'm talking about the Filecoin. My friends, you know what? This is the warning video for all Filecoin holders. You know what? At this time, the things are getting crazy, and the Filecoin going crazy. My friends, wake up, wake up! It's time to wake up, and it's time to be safe from loss, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, please, my friends, that is my request for all of you, that please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the latest update of the Filecoin, my friends. You know what, it is time the previous changes. If we talk about the 24 hours price change of the Filecoin, so the price change is going negative 6.03%. the price is going down, my friends. And you know what, the people are worrying about the Filecoin, that what should we do in this critical situation. But now at this time, the Filecoin price is going again positive in the last 60 minutes. So the people are very happy to see the positive change occur. But remember, my friends, this fast is for temporary, this jump for temporary. And you know what, this jump will continue for the few hours, and after a few hours the price will again pump. So be alert and wake up, my friends. Don't decide to sell, and don't decide to buy more and more, because you already know that the price of the Filecoin is very high. If you really want to invest in a cryptocurrencies market, so don't invest in a Filecoin, because the price of Filecoin is very low. And you know what, it is time the condition of the Filecoin is going crazy, going down. So I recommend for everyone that don't invest more in the Filecoin. Invest in a low price coin. That's how you can get a profit from in the cryptocurrencies market, members. So for holders of the Filecoin, my advice is that please hold it to the last of this month, members. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Filecoin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.